This is how my PS4 Pro sounds like after a year of usage while running a game. And this is how it sounds like once I fixed the overheating problem in this machine. Hey there everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about why the PS4 Pro sounds like a jet engine while playing any AAA game. And after watching this video, you will get a clear understanding of what exactly the problem is and how you can fix it. So to fix the loud running PS4 Pro, first you will need to disassemble it. And let me tell you, this is not at all difficult. Just watch any PS4 Pro disassembly video here on YouTube and you will get a clear idea on how you can do it. If you still find it difficult to get your console disassembled, then I will suggest you to go to a repair shop, get your console disassembled there and make sure you hand your console over to a person with sufficient experience. Now once you get your console opened, just clean it by using a blower, and then you will primarily need to replace the stock thermal paste with some high quality thermal interface material like liquid metal. Just in case if you don't want to use liquid metal, then you can also use some good quality thermal paste like the Thermal Grizzly's Cryonaut or the Noctua's NTH1. Personally, I will suggest you to go with the Noctua's NTH1 thermal paste because it spreads really well and it is just about as good as the Cryonaut when it comes to the heat transfer rate. Talking about the heat transfer, this is the real problem and this is why we are disassembling the console. This is the PS4 Pro's APU and this die gets really hot. And to cool it down, Sony has mounted a heatsink over it so that the heat from this APU can get transferred to the heatsink itself, ultimately leaving a cooler running APU's die. But there is a need to use some thermal interface material between the two surfaces because there is microscopic inconsistencies on the PS4 Pro's die surface as well as on the surface of the cooler too. And it is not only the case with the PS4 Pro, it is exactly the same with all the other die surfaces too. This is exactly why we use thermal paste so that we can fill those microscopic gaps between the two surfaces and in the end get an efficient heat transfer. Before applying new thermal paste, it is really important to clean off the existing paste which is all dried up and can be a little difficult to clean off sometimes. In this situation, use some paper towels and isopropyl alcohol to make your life easy. It is really important to be very careful while cleaning the stock paste because there are very small components around the die that you may damage if you are very aggressively cleaning the area around the die. So be very careful. Once you have cleaned everything, just apply the fresh new thermal paste and reassemble your console. And if you did everything right, your console should start just fine. Now it is going to run a lot cooler and that will result in a very cool and quiet running fan. So this was a little video that I wanted to do on how you can make your PS4 run a lot cooler than its stock factory state. This is all I have for you in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here for more videos like this and a lot of other PC related content. Thank you very much for watching and I will talk to you in the next video.